Distinguished Focal Therapy Society members, ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today as the president of this esteemed organization, and it is with great pride that I address you all. I am truly honored to lead such a distinguished group of individuals who are committed to our shared mission and values. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering dedication and tireless efforts in advancing this organization's cause and for your constant support in making this symposium successful again. Your hard work, commitment have made a significant impact, and I am privileged to be part of this collective journey. Today, my friends, as we convene here following an extended pause caused by the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic, and with the inclusion of new members into our great society, I'm compelled to provide a comprehensive account of our collective identity and the remarkable efforts that have enabled us to establish and govern this society with success. During the early years, methods for managing urological cancer and maintaining a high quality of life were undergoing significant advancements. It was during this time that we began to acknowledge and unite physicians and the multiple stakeholders who shared a common interest in this field. For the past number of years, we have diligently collaborated with one another, driven by a singular mission to advance and position minimally invasive treatments and image-targeted cancer treatments in a safe and effective gland-preserving manner to extend and maintain one's quality of life. Later, we realized how important it was to establish a society, not just to support one another's viewpoints, but also to achieve our main objective of eventually incorporating focal therapy into the guidelines for the treatment of prostate and kidney cancer. I want to draw attention to the fundamental tenets that have shaped the accomplishments of our organization since 2006. These pillars serve as a cornerstone upon which we built our legacy of excellence, cooperation, and supporting one another. So some of the accomplishments over the last 14 years, our group has expanded its reach to include globally recognized experts, boasting a membership of over 300 active individuals. We have collectively authored 3 complete books on focal therapy, including numerous other focal therapy and imaging-related chapters in major textbooks. We will launch our first dedicated textbook of focal therapy in 2024. We have worked together as a group to publish approximately 20 consensus papers derived through mutual agreement about a range of functional and foundational topics, including imaging, targeting, outcomes, patient selection, and management of failures. This information has guided clinical practice, trial design, and provided a modus operandi on how to conduct focal therapy. We started the Focal Therapy Society Registry, an open registry database to capture high-quality data on the outcomes of focal therapy techniques. Together, we are proud to announce that our administration currently oversees a total of 10 active sites with an additional 15 sites in the process of onboarding. Furthermore, we are pleased to report that our efforts have resulted in the enrollment of over 1,400 subjects to date. If we continue to work together, we will have a foundational registry reporting real-world data and experiences like no other that can be used to guide and improve outcomes. We've initiated the Focal Therapy Tumor Board, a quarterly webinar aimed at empowering practitioners to make optimal patient selection and determine salvage strategies when needed. This webinar adopts a tumor board-style case discussion enriched by the invaluable insights of an esteemed panel of international experts. In essence, we share practice tips and try to learn from one another. We have had the honor of presenting a best practice statement regarding whole gland ablation, accompanied by the invaluable insights bestowed upon us, not by only a few, but an amazing 75 international experts. This momentous occasion was further solidified by the publication of this work in the prestigious European Urology Journal. We are diligently working towards publication of our upcoming international projects, such as the Best Practice Statement on Salvage Ablation and Primary Focal Ablation, as well as consensus on active surveillance that's happening here, and prostate biopsies. We support various industry and investigator-initiated clinical trials on focal therapy techniques such as HIFU, IRE, laser, just to name a few. We have partnered with our regulatory agencies such as NICE, the FDA, and others to understand their position in maintaining high standards and keeping the public safe in an effort to determine how we can best bring them outcomes data for consideration. Throughout our journey, most importantly, we have demonstrated our commitment to success, striving to make a difference in the lives of those with urologic cancers. Our organization has been at the forefront of supporting focal therapy, tackling mundane but nonetheless pressing issues such as insurance company denials for reimbursement and governing new energy sources requiring regulatory approval. However, it is essential to acknowledge that our work is far from complete. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of cancer management, we must adapt and evolve to remain at the forefront of progress and reach our goals. We must embrace success, and it is only through collaboration and innovation that we can truly make a lasting impact. I kindly request that we continue to work together as a team. We have a wonderful team assembled here, an international group that we can do studies and trials together. I would like to empower our members to become catalysts for change, to expand our reach to serve a broader group of patients. By fostering a favorable environment, we create a supportive community that encourages growth, excellence, and inclusivity of all members. As we move forward, let us remain steadfast in our dedication, knowing that our efforts will shape a bright future for our society and those who we serve, the patients. In conclusion, I wish to convey my deepest appreciation to all the esteemed individuals, corporations, and indeed to all those who unwaveringly stood by our side, initially during the hard times early on in 2006, who have rendered invaluable support to our endeavors to achieve the resounding triumph of our society. Together, let us persistently pursue greatness, ignite transformative progress, and leave an indelible mark. I'll be stepping down as president of the Focal Therapy Society in January 2024, according to the bylaws, and I give this honor to my colleague, Dr. Rafael Sanchez-Salas. Thank you.